In today's digital world, every financial services institution needs to be flexible and agile. But many are still tied to systems built decades ago. To unlock the power of AI and truly drive innovation, modernizing the foundation is the first fundamental step.
When you have a massive inflow of data, but your systems only scale vertically, extracting information that modern AI depends on becomes cumbersome and costly.
Financial institutions have to keep the lights on. While simple lift and shift has served its purpose for rapid translation, in order for businesses to truly drive innovation, what's needed is a thoughtful, progressive, re-engineered approach.
That's why Accenture and MongoDB have partnered to deliver a solution that separates AI hype from real-world impact.
MongoDB brings the data expertise and technology, a flexible, enterprise-grade data platform that aggregates structured and unstructured data in one single instance.
Accenture brings the business expertise, innovating with AI and Agentic SDLC to drive a new era of modernization and rapid innovation.
Imagine a network of orchestrated, specialized AI agents, breaking down complex migration into bite-sized tasks and tackling them simultaneously.
Historical models of modernization dealt primarily with direct semantic translation of the code, but more recent approaches shift towards modern database platforms like MongoDB. And with our latest agentic delivery models, teams basically describe the result that they want and how they're going to test it. And from there, the human in the lead drives the agents to understand the existing functions and map that to modern architecture, data structures, and business processes.
An AI accelerator automatically handles the heavy lifting, building the new data structures, mapping out the schemas, and shifting everything from the old relational setup into a modern one.
This is a partnership powering a new era of agentic AI. But in this highly regulated industry, transformation needs absolute trust.
By building a digital brain, we give your AI the exact context it needs. And through the Know Your Agent, you can audit every recommendation. The AI acts as a powerful co-pilot, but the human professional makes the final accountable call.
True trust is built on proven delivery. Accenture and MongoDB are already actively executing these joint modernization programs in the real world. Together, we provide the safety, governance, and technology to turn your AI SDLC strategy for modernization into a reality.